Hello everyone, we're back. Sorry it's been a while. We've all had, I think, a pretty crazy time over the last year or so with coronavirus, and that's meant that we've had to focus on family and really just getting by day to day.
As parents, we've been kind of juggling lots of different things and just haven't had the time, to be honest, to concentrate on what we want to do, which has been this channel. But we are back now, you know, things are starting to open up a bit now for us, you know, and we've got a bit more time, so we're really excited we're going to try and get some really good content for you all now.
And with that, we want to say hello back to our channel and start putting as much effort as we can into doing what we absolutely love doing.
Absolutely.
Making, creating.
So just to say thank you to all of you for kind of hanging around.
Obviously it's a community and you're part of our community, so we want to make sure that whatever we do is of interest to you.
We are going to do hacks. We're also going to we have the series which is a Great British Make-Off, I know you said Bake-Off then, which we started, and we kind of got some really good feedback on that. So we are going to continue doing that.
One of the things that I enjoy doing is making stuff. I enjoy building stuff, making models. I enjoy drawing and painting, crafting. What about you?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not as good at drawing as you are, obviously, but I love, I really enjoy kind of the hack side of it and the remaking.
I enjoy that as well.
Yeah, and the DIY, and I love the challenges. And I think what we're going to try and do with this channel is basically just get lots of different types of content and see what works, see what you guys like, and really build this into a community of people which just love to make things.
Absolutely. We're really hoping that the things that we love doing, you'll love watching us do and trying out for yourself.
So let's get on with today. So today is a quick video just to get back in the swing of things. A video that I've wanted to do for a while. I've finally persuaded Jamie to kind of do this video.
Well, I'm not doing it, you're doing it.
So this video is basically, I saw a few hacks a few months ago and they changed my life. I was like, I can't believe that I've not been doing that. So this video is simply 5 everyday hacks that will change your life.
First video done, well, first video of post-coronavirus.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully post-coronavirus.
Yeah.
First video of post-lockdown, I would say.
And if you did like it, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and comment down below what you think of it. Hopefully we're going to have comments on our channel, and please, any ideas, any things that you want to see. So, that's it for today.
We'll see you really soon.
Take care, bye.
Bye.